Hello everyone, welcome to Diet2nourish. My name is Rashi Bharia. I am dietitian and I am from team Diet2nourish. So today we are going to talk about the fever diet, and here it goes. What is fever? It's not a disease, but it is definitely an underlying symptom in a number of ailments, which is characterized by increase in body temperature from its normal range, which is 36 to 37 degrees Celsius and 97 to 99 degree Fahrenheit. It happens due to body's normal natural response by its immune system. Apart from medication, you can also go for a fever diet, a well-balanced, wholesome fever diet for speedy recovery. Fever comes under three categories: low grade, moderate and high grade fever. A number of symptoms arises also along with the fever, which can be dizziness, headache, trembling, etc. Now we will talk about the causes of fever. Why does it happen? So there is a center in our body, in our brain, which is known as hypothalamus, which act as a thermostat. So basically it maintains our body's temperature by balancing the heat generation and heat lost by our body. So what happens that this hypothalamus stop balancing the heat generation and heat lost by our body? There can be a number of reasons: infection by the microorganisms like bacteria and fungi, exhaustion, inflammation, cancer and cancer treatments, etc. You can always, for the treatment of the fever, always go for the antibiotics and antipyretic as per the condition, but you can always go for a well-balanced fever diet in order to speed up the recovery process. Okay, now we will come to the topic: what kind of foods should be eaten during fever. So what happens when someone is suffering from fever? There is this condition that arises, loss of appetite. And also at the same time, the rate of burning calories by the body increases. So basically body needs more calories at that time when the person is suffering from fever. So in such conditions, there is a dire need for a well-balanced, wholesome fever diet to be consumed by the patient. So the very first food choice that we are going to talk about here to be given to the patient in the fever diet is the soup. So what happens during fever? The condition arises that your body suffers from dehydration and also electrolyte balance. So what soup does, it provides rehydration to the body and also balances the destabilized electrolytes of the body. Apart from that, you can add all the light spices and flavors to the soup, so it can add taste to it, because our taste buds becomes less sensitized during fever and the patient doesn't feel like eating anything. So it can add taste factor to it and bring back the appetite as well. Second food option, which is very good for the vegetarian people, is the oatmeal. Oatmeal is full of fibers and also consists of immunity boosting factors like beta glucan and zinc. So it can help in fighting off the infection which is caused by the microorganisms which is leading to the fever in the body. The third food option that we should give to the patient with the fever is the besan chira. We all have heard about it. It's prepared in almost all of our households. Our mothers used to prepare it for us. It is very easy to make it. Very less number of ingredients are required. You just need besan, ghee, sugar and a little bit of water, and here it goes. It soothes your throat. It is very simple and effective. It soothes the throat of the patient, and also at the same time the besan in it provides protein. The sugar and the ghee that we add to it provides energy and warmth to the body, and it can be prepared in a few minutes only. Antioxidants are needed to be provided in our body, especially if someone is suffering from fever. This is because to ward off the infection which is causing the underlying fever. So the best food options to get all these antioxidants are the fruits like banana, avocados and apple. And as there is an old saying about the apple, that an apple a day keeps a doctor away, it actually is very true, because an apple a day provides around 1500 milligrams of vitamin C to your body, which is good enough to protect you from any kind of infection. So this was the generic information that I provided you all about the fever diet. Maybe your condition is not covered in this. So if you are looking for some detailed information and a detailed diet plan as per your condition, that means customized diet plan, then you can always contact us through the following details. If you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel Diet2nourish.